It's Christmas time in Turkmenistan. As you can see, they're anxiously awaiting Santa. And so, we're going to give them a little taste of their Christmas present, like getting a small present, getting open one of your presents on New Year's Eve. Well, Christmas Eve. I'm sorry, my brain is turned off. I ate too much chocolate. Look what Santa brought you. Wow, my favorite. Have you been good this year, ladies? Maybe. Okay. There you go. Have fun with it. And now you have to wait until Christmas morning until you get to eat the rest of it. I know, you can't stand it. This goes in your stocking. Well, wish that I'd stolen a bigger sock. Yay! Well, I think that looks festive. Yep. Merry Christmas, Chickmans! And Happy New Year!